The relentless march of AI has put a staggering number of jobs at risk, with the World Economic Forum estimating that AI could automate 30% of work hours in the U.S. economy by 2030. The once bright future of many industries now seems dim as AI and technological advancements threaten to eclipse the need for human labor. As we delve into the role of AI in disrupting industries, we find ourselves at a crossroads of innovation and obsolescence. The rise of AI paints a gloomy picture for traditional job roles, with sectors from customer service to legal services bracing for a dramatic change. The question that haunts us is not if, but when will the dominoes fall? By the end of this video, you will see which 10 industries might be hardest hit by AI. Watch until the end, if you dare, to uncover the silver linings that may yet offer hope in the age of AI. Number 1. Customer service. Customer service stands as the cornerstone of business success, pivotal in shaping customer satisfaction and loyalty. It's the front line where businesses meet customer expectations, resolve issues, and foster relationships that transcend mere transactions. Yet, the advent of AI is revolutionizing this domain. Chatbots and automated systems, powered by AI, are not just augmenting but potentially replacing human customer service roles. They offer 24/7 availability, instant responses, and the ability to learn and adapt from interactions, providing a level of efficiency and personalization that challenges the need for human intervention. Statistics underscore this shift. AI-driven customer service tools are expected to handle 95% of customer interactions by 2025. Moreover, AI chatbots could save businesses up to 30% in customer support expenses. This transformative potential of AI in customer service heralds a future where human roles may become obsolete as machines take on more complex and customer-centric tasks. Number 2. Transport and logistics. Transport and logistics are the lifeblood of global commerce, ensuring the seamless flow of goods across borders and continents. This industry underpins economic growth, connecting producers, markets, and consumers worldwide. However, AI and automation are poised to disrupt this critical sector profoundly. Self-driving vehicles, AI-driven route optimization, and automated warehousing are just a few innovations that promise to reshape the landscape of transport and logistics. These technologies aim to increase efficiency, reduce human error, and cut costs, potentially leading to significant job displacement within the industry. Recent advancements underscore the transformative impact of AI in this field. For instance, AI-powered robots and autonomous vehicles are already being deployed in warehouses and on the roads, streamlining operations and setting new standards for efficiency. As these technologies mature, they could lead to a decline in traditional transport and logistics roles, making way for a more automated future. The implications are vast. According to McKinsey, AI is expected to generate $1.3 to $2 trillion annually over the next 2 decades for logistics companies that embrace these changes. Yet, this shift also raises questions about the future of employment in the industry and the skills workers will need to stay relevant in an increasingly automated world. Number 3. Education sectors. The rise of AI and online learning platforms is poised to disrupt traditional classroom learning. AI has the potential to personalize education, making it more accessible and tailored to individual learning styles. Online platforms can offer a vast array of resources and courses, often at a lower cost and with greater flexibility than traditional institutions. Statistics reveal the growing influence of AI in education. For instance, AI in education is expected to grow by over 45% between 2022 and 2030. Moreover, AI-enabled chatbots can respond to student inquiries in seconds, and research suggests that 20% to 40% of teachers' current workload could be automated using AI. The U.S. Department of Education's Office of Educational Technology released a report summarizing the opportunities and risks for AI in teaching and learning. Additionally, governments are investing in AI to create new teaching tools, as seen with the UK's Oak National Academy. The education industry is at a crossroads, with AI and online learning platforms offering innovative solutions that could potentially replace traditional classroom learning. As these technologies continue to evolve, they will undoubtedly shape the future of education. Number 4. Banking and finance. Robo-advisors and automated trading platforms are already making inroads, offering investment advice and managing portfolios with minimal human intervention. These AI-driven tools can analyze vast amounts of data to make predictions and decisions at speeds no human can match, potentially leading to a reduction in the need for human financial advisors and traders. The statistics paint a clear picture of AI's burgeoning role in these sectors. AI in banking could potentially unlock $1 trillion of incremental value each year. Moreover, the global AI and banking market is expected to grow at a rate of 32.6% from 2021 to 2030. McKinsey reported that generative AI could enhance productivity in banking by up to 5% and reduce global expenditures by up to $300 billion. As AI continues to advance, it's likely that many traditional roles in banking and finance will be replaced by machines. This shift promises efficiency and cost savings, but also poses challenges for employment and the future skills required in the workforce. Number 5. Healthcare. AI's integration into healthcare is set to revolutionize the field. Automated diagnosis systems and personalized medicine are at the forefront, offering precision and efficiency that could challenge the traditional role of general doctors. These AI systems can analyze medical data rapidly, identify patterns, and make diagnostic decisions with increasing accuracy. Statista predicts that by 2030 the global healthcare AI market will make up almost $188 billion, with a growth rate of 37% from 2022 to 2030. The impact of AI on healthcare jobs is nuanced. While it may replace some functions of general practitioners, it also creates new opportunities for tech-savvy healthcare professionals and necessitates a shift towards more specialized medical roles. The future of healthcare may see a blend of human expertise and AI efficiency, leading to a transformed but still vital industry. Number 6. Manufacturing industry. Advanced robotics, machine learning, and AI-driven processes are increasingly being adopted, enhancing efficiency and reducing the need for human labor. This shift towards automation could lead to significant job displacement as machines take over tasks traditionally performed by humans. Statistics highlight the impact of AI on manufacturing jobs. For example, AI in manufacturing is expected to increase labor productivity by 38% by 2035, and half of current job tasks could be automated with AI between 2030 and 2060. Moreover, the global AI in manufacturing market size was valued at $1.8 billion in 2019 and is projected to grow to $9 billion in 2027. Big companies like Ford and BMW are already using AI-managed robots to perform tasks that were once done by humans, leading to cost savings and efficiency improvements. As AI continues to advance, it's likely that the manufacturing industry will see a reduction in traditional jobs, but it may also create new opportunities in areas that require more advanced technical skills. Number 7. Fast food industry. The fast food industry is a dynamic segment of the food sector, known for its quick service and convenience. It plays a significant role in the economy by employing millions and catering to the fast-paced lifestyle of consumers. However, AI is set to revolutionize this industry with automated cooking and serving systems. These innovations could replace many human roles, from taking orders to preparing food. For instance, AI-powered kiosks and voice orders are already in use at chains like McDonald's, and robot servers and kitchen robots are being tested for food prep tasks. A report from restaurant consultants, Aaron Allen, suggests that as much as 82% of restaurant jobs could be performed by robots. Recent news also indicates that major fast food chains are increasingly deploying AI to automate customer service and reduce reliance on human labor. Number 8. Retail industry. Online shopping platforms and automated checkout systems are making traditional retail methods seem outdated. AI can handle inventory management, predict consumer behavior, and personalize shopping experiences, which could reduce the need for human cashiers and sales associates. The World Economic Forum reports that AI services in the retail sector are predicted to increase from $5 billion to above $31 billion by 2028. This growth is attributed to AI's ability to automate tasks, prevent losses, and enhance sustainability, ultimately improving profits and optimizing business processes. Furthermore, major retailers like Walmart, Walgreens, and Target are investing in AI technologies to combat organized retail theft. These systems can detect shoplifting and other forms of theft, which is a significant issue for retailers. MarketSplash reports that AI in retail is booming, with the market expected to grow from $7 billion in 2023 to $30 billion by 2028. This growth is driven by AI's ability to cut costs, optimize operations, and enhance customer satisfaction. But there's also another side of the coin. As AI continues to advance, it could lead to a decrease in traditional retail jobs, leading to mass unemployment. Number 9. Media and entertainment industry. The media and entertainment industry is on the cusp of a transformation, largely due to advancements in generative AI technologies like Sora, Midjourney, and GPT model. These AI advancements are not just prototypes, they're being actively integrated into workflows, leading to concerns about job displacement. AI's ability to automate repetitive tasks and generate new content quickly and at scale means that many traditional roles in content creation, such as scriptwriting, video editing, and even acting, could be significantly impacted. The creator economy, valued at around $14 billion per year, is at risk as AI-generated content becomes more prevalent. In the art world, the implementation of AI has led to job losses within the creative industry. Media companies utilizing AI algorithms to generate written content have resulted in layoffs and decreased demand for human writers. The impact of AI on jobs in the media and entertainment industry is broad, affecting various roles across the board. While some jobs may evolve to fine-tune AI outputs, others may be lost to automation. Number 10. Legal service industry. AI's role in this industry is growing, particularly in legal research and contract analysis. AI can process vast amounts of data quickly, identifying relevant case law and statutes, which streamlines the work of legal researchers. Consider the example of LawGeeks, an AI platform that automates contract review processes. LawGeeks compares the contents of legal contracts to a predefined set of criteria, significantly reducing the time lawyers spend on contract review. This technology can complete the review process up to 80% faster than human lawyers, with a 90% accuracy rate. The adoption of AI in the legal sector is rapidly increasing. A survey by the Thomson Reuters Institute found that 82% of legal professionals believe generative AI can be used in legal work, although only 51% believe it should be used. As AI continues to advance, it's likely that the legal service industry will see a shift in job roles, with a greater emphasis on managing and interpreting AI outputs rather than conducting manual research. This could lead to job losses for legal researchers, but may also create new opportunities in legal tech and AI oversight. If you've come this far in the video, drop a comment with the word AI to let us know you already absorbed all the insights. To stay relevant in the age of AI, watch other videos from our channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of AI. Thanks for watching.